Main components and subsystems of the HP Jet Fusion 5200 and 5600 printers. Let's start with the main components used when turning the printer on and off. The main switch turns the printer on or off. The rearm button engages all of the printer's high-power subsystems. If an emergency occurs, push the emergency stop button to stop all processes. The printer carriage, the recoder, the lamps, and the build unit are halted. The build unit door and top cover are locked until the internal temperature decreases. A system error message will be displayed, and as an internal safeguard, the fans will begin to turn at maximum speed. Ensure that the emergency stop button is released before restarting the equipment. During printer operation, make sure that the two bottom rows of circuit breakers at the front right of the printer are all in the up position and that the three green lights are on. If any of them are off, check with your electrician. In addition, use the circuit breaker to turn off the equipment during a thunderstorm or a power failure. Next, the front panel, which gives you complete control of your printer, displaying information about the printer and its status, allowing you to change your printer settings and to perform tasks such as supplies replacements and print head alignments. Under the top cover, we will find the heating lamps, which provide controlled heat to the bed of the build unit to ensure a uniform material temperature. The temperature camera, which constantly measures the temperature of the build and helps the printer to adjust fusing lamp power accordingly. The heating lamp filter, which ensures cooling and keeps the top lamp area free from powder. The top enclosure filters, which ensure cooling and keep the print zone area free from powder. And the scan axis wipers, which are brushes that clean the scan axis curtain, ensuring its durability. Now, let's continue with the main components located in the print zone, that include everything that is visible in the area that is covered by the carriage, from right to left, including all surfaces, ceilings, curtain surfaces, etc. The spittoon collects the leftover agent of the print heads once the carriage has reached the farthest position on the left. The recoating unit spreads the material on the print bed, creating a homogeneous, flat layer of high-density material on the entire surface of the print bed. The recoating roller receives the correct amount of material from the feeder vanes, removing excess material when needed, spreading it over the print bed. The print carriage moves the print heads, which deliver agent to the build process across the build bed. The heat generated by the fusing lamps is evenly distributed across a sheet of glass and is controlled by the thermal camera. The printer's writing system uses three dual-agent print heads that are responsible for taking agents and depositing them on the build. The purpose of the service station is to maintain healthy print heads. It is composed of a rubber blade that moves up and down, lifting the cleaner roll to ensure correct contact between the print heads and the cloth. A drop detector assembly, which identifies nozzles that are possibly blocked. A capping assembly, also known as rubber caps, which seals the bottom of the print heads, preventing powder and dust from damaging the nozzles. Cooling mouths are located at both ends of the carriage pass. They provide an airflow to cool the print heads during the printing process and prevent further heating up due to the print chamber temperature. And the front bar, or front bearing, is the carriage movement guide. Moving on to the agent door, when opening it we can see the fusing agent that is selectively applied where the particles are to fuse together, and the detailing agent that is selectively applied where the fusing action needs to be reduced or amplified. Intermediate tanks, which are another component connected to the agents, are located at the rear of the side cover. They allow continuous agent supply, as the system is designed so that you can replace agent cartridges without stopping the printing process. Behind the external cleaning roll door we will find an internal cleaning roll door providing access to the printhead cleaning roll. A printhead cleaning roll, which is absorbent material used in the normal operation of the printer to wipe the printheads periodically, at the beginning and end of printing, during printing, on printhead check and clean, and so on. This helps the printheads to deliver agents continuously and maintain print quality. And a cleaning roll collector, which is a piece of foam located underneath the printhead cleaning roll. It collects any drops of agent that have fallen from the cleaning roll. The build unit door provides access to the build unit housing structure, allowing you to insert or extract the build unit from your printer. At the back of the printer, we can find the following components. The print zone filter, which ensures cooling and keeps the print zone area free from powder. The e-cabinet filter, ensuring the same in the e-cabinet area. And the LAN connector, for connecting your printer to your network. Lastly, let's look at two new components of the 5200 and 5600 printers compared to the 4200 printer. The air collection hood, also known as the powder collector, which cleans the zone of the curtains. In this cavity, there's a wiper that removes the powder stuck to the curtain. And the material extraction systems, located at the right and left of the printer, help to extract the hot air and control the temperature and humidity in the room.